Unlocking the power of Tradingview starts with mastering the timeframe. Let's dive into how to change it so you can pinpoint the perfect view for your trading strategy. First, spot the time interval menu located at the top of your Tradingview chart, usually displaying something like 1D for 1 day. Click on this to reveal a range of preset timeframes, from minutes and hours to days, weeks, and even months. Selecting a new timeframe is as simple as clicking on your preferred option. For example, clicking 5 meters will instantly change your chart to display each candlestick representing a 5-minute period. For faster access, hover over your most frequently used timeframes and click the star icon next to them. This adds them to your favorites bar right above the standard options. Want a timeframe Tradingview doesn't offer by default? Simply type your desired interval like 3D for 3 days or 7H for 7 hours and hit enter to create a custom view. Notice how switching between timeframes changes the detail you see. Shorter timeframes reveal more granular price movements, while longer timeframes offer a broader perspective on trends and patterns, tailoring your technical analysis to your specific trading or investment horizon.